So students, in the previous session, we stopped at the scene when Franz, the narrator, the schoolboy, peeped through the window and saw his teacher M. Hamel and the classmates all in their places inside the classroom. So he was scared of getting punishment as he was late for the class. Now we will start from here. I had to open the door and go in before everybody. You can imagine how I blushed and how frightened I was. So the narrator, Franz, was ashamed of being late and he had a fear of being scolded as he had to enter the class in front of everyone now. Okay? But nothing happened. M. Hamel saw me and said very kindly, "Go to your place quickly, little friends. We were beginning without you." But nothing happened. So we get to know that whatever fear Franz had in his mind, nothing of that kind happens. He did not get any punishment, and Franz found it strange as M. Hamel did not say anything. Instead, M. Hamel politely asked Franz to get to his seat as the class was about to start without him. So Franz was very much surprised that he did not get any kind of punishment from M. Hamel, although he was late for the class. I jumped over the bench and sat down at my desk. Not till then, when I had got a little over my fright, did I see that our teacher had on his beautiful green coat, his frilled shirt, and a little black silk cap, all embroidered, that he never wore except on inspection and prize days. So Franz went to his seat, and after some time, when he overcame his fear, or when he was out of his fear and he became comfortable with the class and with the teacher, he noticed his teacher M. Hamel. He noticed that M. Hamel had worn his best embroidered clothes that day, the beautiful green coat, his well decorated shirt, and a little black silk cap. He was all beautifully dressed that day. So that is why Franz wondered if that day was a normal day or it could be an occasion, because the teacher M. Hamel normally wore it on occasions. Okay, normally wore it on occasions. His whole dress, which Franz described just now, M. Hamel used to wear this only on occasions, like inspection and prize distribution days. That is why Franz wondered whether it is an occasion or it is an usual day. Now, besides, the whole school seemed so strange and solemn. Solemn means serious. But the thing that surprised me most was to see on the back benches that were always empty, the village people sitting quietly like ourselves. Old Hauser with his three-cornered hat, the former mayor, the former postmaster, and several others besides. So Franz felt that the atmosphere in the school was unusual. That was kind of a strange atmosphere. Okay, and it was solemn. Solemn means serious. Then he saw the last benches of the classroom, on which the village people were sitting quietly. He was he has mentioned some of the village men who were the old Hauser, who was wearing his three-cornered hat, the retired mayor. Mayor means the head of a city who is elected by the public or the people. And there was the postmaster also, who was also retired. So Franz was surprised to see this atmosphere. Franz was surprised to see the village people sitting in the backside of his classroom. So we will stop here now, and we will continue in the next session.